The man's a verse, sophisticated ignorance, write my curses and curses. I get it custom. You a customer, you ain't custom to going through customs. You ain't been nowhere.
I like that. Anyways, I just
that song is good. We can turn up and keep it as background music.
Okay, I guess. But I just wanted to share my news that you know that mindless behavior video, Mrs. Right? I learned the choreography to that. But not the whole thing. When I learned the whole thing, I put it up on YouTube and you guys can see it. Alright?
That sounds good. So, one of these days you need to hurry to put that video up for them. Because I see you practicing, and believe me, y'all, she was practicing.
In the dance studio we have.
And me and my other sister were doing Beyonce movies.
Our dance studio?
I have a party to go to tomorrow night, and my friend that's just at Beyonce, so y'all got my moves down pat. I'm ready for her.
Well, guess what, y'all? Our dance studio is down in South Beach. It's like if you go by that road where like people are outside and sell jewelry and stuff.
Girl, you better get your hands up out the camera. You know how Tammy is on Basketball Wives about them hands.
Listen. Yeah. Well, this video is getting pretty long, and I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of sitting here watching us act.
Why you gotta sit inside? They're probably enjoying themselves watching.
Well,
beautiful girls on this thing.
I said probably.
We can't be in their homes right now.
Oh my god.
So they get to see a little bit of us on their screen, telephone.
Oh my gosh.
Laptop, desktop, whatever.
No, listen, she comes up with the most boringest ideas.
And your ideas are good for? What are they good for?
My ideas were like...
My ideas are boring.
Yes, listen to this.
What was your idea about? You wanted to come up here and talk about Rihanna and Drake.
Because...
And that is so 2010. Come on, Christina. Come on. Those are her ideas.
Can I finish?
Every time I bring my ideas, she's always like, no, I want to hear that.
I can't even say my stuff. Okay, there you go.
Say your thought. Stop laughing. Everything's a joke to this girl. Oh my God.
She won't give me a chance to speak. Okay.
I'll give you a chance to speak. Go ahead, Chris. Go ahead.
Wait.
You don't even need the comb. Why are you picking up a comb for? You got braids, girl. You don't need no comb. Why you gotta pick up the comb for? You gotta talk to these people. And you gotta take it forever looking for the comb. Oh my God. Did you find it?
Found the comb.
Okay. You need your comb. Okay, go ahead.
These are my ideas. My ideas was like singing a song or mimicking a song and just like moving and stuff like and all that stuff. And then another idea was to talk about what do we think about these celebrities and stuff, artists and stuff like that. Because accordingly on YouTube, I see a lot of people do this stuff and get a lot of views. And that's what we need, and that's what we want, and all that stuff. So, and another thing I wanted to do was not to do this. This is her idea. So if you're not enjoying this video right now, blame it on her.
Why would you blame it on me? Tell me why.
Because you wanted to do this. You wanted to sit here and talk about nothing.
I wanted to sit here and talk about nothing.
You know what?
Okay, let's talk about Rihanna.
Why? Look how much
she's from Barbados.